candidates that we have.
Ka Regional Democratic Alliance Khasi R kala Pyllait ikimat Treikam jongka kumcu gejingkerpat na kebenta ke Ilekshon Lok Sabha. Kini gejingat Treikam jongki arseng na kebenta kini kimat Treikam kalong banpen urlong ya kejingdawa na kebenta kejingpen Treikam ya ke inline permit ILP hagajala na luar kiwe pat kimat kini kilong kikubor.
Kimat Treikam jong Regional Democratic Alliance ya kibala Pyllait hinnen ka sngi ki degi jing shim kya jong ki artali ki seng ben persha ya ka jingti uranium ha ka jilla ha ka ba kila kular ben kmibnya halor ka thup jong ka ST ben SC ha ka jilla kira kular ru ban persha ya ka uniform civil code bat ki an ki ban kta ya ka nyam kin ya le ban wan ra ya ka jing kranya suk bat ka HNLC bat ki wegi kin hun ki ngatiar kum joru ban rat ding khong ya ka bam sap bat ban wanra ya ki rukom Treikam ha ka khen ka dia ha baro ki project jong ka sarkar bat ki wegi program
dia kada ketika pemerintahan ka bentang dengan MP election R.D.A South ngilaya ya campaign jungi mentala ka basi benai tam duna bat niso ba kalong ka badai yagi kum ka parti bangan wanra ya ka appeal bat ka ki point ki bede nak benta kimat ki isu ki ba nak kaliang jong ka R.D.A bat kumjul nak kaliang jong candidate un simkam ya ki anda haba ula job ya kene election pemerintah
kam hadian habai kren bikila pathai khobor unong yalam ka UDP bat ubalong ru menteri ketnat jengok kai perthei uba polling do ula ong bagi jingkam ba ka jing Treikam ya ka inline permit ka la ban kta ki jingwan joki nong jingwa ka parthei ha ga jela ka long ka babakla ula ong ba ka jinga da halo ka jing mentoi jong ki pai ba ka jela bat ka jing tiew ki kam jingwa ka parthei ki di ben ya ringkan
example of the US. In fact, the EU countries, they have very stringent laws where immigration is concerned, and yet their tourism industry is $1 billion industry. It doesn't mean that one cancels the other out. Protecting your interest and promoting tourism can go hand in hand.
Hagawi patkalyang uba polling do ula penpawi ka jinkerman pa scam ba ukertong ka R.D.A uba Robert June Kharjarin ula ban kinjo sya ka thong hakani ka election MP Lok Sabha ula penpaw ru ba ukertong jongki udon ya ka jingla banya kun persha ya ki wei bat ki seng sain perthei
in politics there is a term called dark horse. If there were no candidates whose chances have been dismissed, the term dark horse itself would not have emerged in the parlance of politics. The fact that such a word exists also means that we clearly have the capacity to come up despite expectations to the contrary and be the dark horse in this race to the Lok Sabha.
Ki artli ki kan hun sunrop jong ka R.D.A ki bakan thop ka UDP baka HSPDP kila ya bon kam ban bu ka jingkar pat ya upai ba nong the vote habaro ki laipun ritli constituency jong ka Khasi Giant Hills Battery Boy district na ka Bynta banyo ka jingkar shan ya ukertong jong ki uba Robert June Kharjarin. Bureau Report DD News Shillong.
Arngot Kibriyo